What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glenda, and I'm back with another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. So, on today's menu is Birria Tacos. B-I-R-R-I-A. Everybody has seen these. It's like the new craze all over YouTube. So your girl's gonna fix some for you. Starting off with our peppers. I have some guajillo peppers here. They are dried guajillo peppers. That's what, here's your, the focus. Guajillo. You can see it. And then we have some chili anchos, which are just dried poblano peppers. I learned that this morning. And then we have some pasilla chilies. So what we're going to do with these is we're just going to take the seeds out. We're going to cut them, take the seeds out, cut them open, and then they're going to boil in water until they're, for about 10 minutes, until they are boiling. We want to make sure they're boiling. The rapid boil, turn them off, put your top on them, leave them for like 10 minutes. It's making them pliable so that you can use it for your sauce. So we'll be right back when all that's done. All right, you guys, so we are back with our Birria Tacos. I have in the pot, I've already boiled our peppers. I did one ancho chili pepper, I did a couple of pasilla peppers, and a couple of guajillo peppers. This is a recipe that I am kind of tweaking a little bit, but it did come from Simply Mama. Okay, I'll try to leave her link in the description. But what I have here is some roast. I'm not using beef shanks like she used, but I just used some roast that's cut up, okay? And what we're gonna do is saute them because we're gonna do this Instapot style. And we're going to saute these so that we can get some color on them, and then we'll go in and add the rest of our ingredients. So let's go ahead and add these to the Instapot. Because I am gonna season this a little bit with the quad, so that's something different that she doesn't do. So y'all know I put my own little twist on stuff, and so we're gonna season this with the quad a little bit. So now on to the chili sauce. We have our peppers in here that have been steeping. We brought them to a boil, and then we steeped probably for about 20 to 30 minutes because I was doing other stuff. So we're gonna add these to our blender. Make sure I got them all. Yeah. All right. So the next thing what we're gonna do too is I've got some chipotles in chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. So we're gonna add some chipotle to this, and I'm gonna add 2 just because I'm living on the wild side. Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and we've got 1 cup of water. Alright, there is your, that adobo adds such a smokiness to the peppers. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You probably can't smell it over there. So what we're doing is we're going to we're going to come back when we are ready to go. This right here, we just wanted to get it prepared because that's what's going to be poured on the top of our meat, along with the rest of our ingredients. So when we come back, we're going to show you how to put get the rest of this ingredients into the Instant Pot with the meat that's already in there sauteed. Alrighty? So we're back, and as you can see, we were sauteing up this meat in the Instant Pot with a little bit of the onions, and I did a light seasoning of the quad, very light. Let's drop some onions. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do is add some garlic. Go in, and it's time to add in all the rest of the ingredients. We're going to put this back on, and then we're going to do a pressure cook, because I was looking for the stewed setting. So, pressure cook on high for 45 minutes. And we'll be back to show you the results. What's up, everybody? So we're back. Let me just tell you what happened. We ran out of battery. We had to charge the batteries up and all that good stuff. So we ended the video last night with the roast beef for our birria tacos being in the Instant Pot. This is what it looks like after it's done. So we kept this overnight, basically. We cooked it, and then this is the results of it being, you know, refrigerated overnight. And so in this pot, what I did was I separated the meat from our broth, and I put the broth here so that it can go ahead and heat up, and that we can get our fat content to rise to the top, because we know that we want to use the fat content of this broth that was rendered from the meat. We want to use the fat content to do our tortillas, our corn tortillas. So because this is so tender, there's no need to like take 2 forks and shred it. I'm just taking my hands and just doing just like this. So I'm gonna finish shredding this up. The sweet scent of your skin filled up my lungs with excitement. Alright, so we are back. I have skimmed some of the fat off the top of our broth, and it is in this pan. We're heating the pan up. Now generally, you just take your corn tortillas and you know, fry them up like so. Other people will take this corn tortilla and dip it in your broth and then to the pan. You can do either way that you feel comfortable. I may try both ways. This is our first attempt at this dish, so I may try both ways just to see what happens. However, our pan is heating up. You get a little bit of broth in there with the oil, because skimming the fat off is kind of tedious. So what you want to do is put your when I've got this on a high heat, you want to put your tortilla down, and I'm going to just do one at a time for right now. You're going to flip it over so that it gets that nice color there. Now what you're looking for is you need some for it to harden up a little bit, get a little crispy. So I'm gonna take some of this beef. No, I'm not. I'm gonna do mine a little different. Heat down a little bit, just cause I put my own twist on stuff. I'm gonna go in first with the cheese, a little bit of cheese. And then I'm just going to take my fingers and put some meat down. You can put as little or as much meat as you like. Just make sure that you can close up your taco.
You are the other half of my heart. The other half of my heart. You are the other half of my heart. The other half of my heart. Wanna be something. You make me wanna be something. Wanna be something.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy?
Hello everybody, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try this recipe and you tag us on all of our social media platforms. Now it's time for the subscriber of the day. First up is Lawanda Wright. Thank you for commenting on our last video. The last one is Whatcha Cookin Roach. Thank you also for commenting. And last is Roger. Thank you also for commenting. Also, again, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Bye-bye.